enforcement hearing for the City of North Miami. Today is January 16th, 2019. I'm Christopher Benjamin, Special Magistrate for the City of North Miami. The purpose of this hearing is to determine if a code violation exists at a property as observed and cited by a code enforcement officer of this city. And if the city is not able to prove its case, then your case will be dismissed and you are free to leave. These proceedings are being recorded, therefore all persons who are speaking should do so one at a time so that the testimony is clearly audible on the recording device. If English is not your primary language, then please inform me when I call your case. We have an interpreter who will assist you during the proceedings. Now, when your case is called, the property owner, agent for the property owner, and any witnesses that you may have should come forward to the podium on the left side of the room. When asked, please speak directly into the microphone and say aloud your name, your business or mailing address, and your relationship to the property. If you're not the property owner or an attorney representing the property owner, then you're going to need a power of attorney in order to speak on behalf of the property owner. For new cases, you're going to be asked for the record if you are aware of and understand the violation that's being heard today, and do you understand what's required to resolve the violation, so please answer accordingly. The city will present its case first, and then the property owner will be given an opportunity to testify on their own behalf, to bring forward witnesses to testify, to present evidence and photographs, and to cross-examine the city's witnesses. Following the case presentation, I'll issue a finding of fact on the case. If I find that a violation of the city code exists or existed at your property, then depending on the case type, I'll set an abatement date for the violation to be resolved, or for repeat violations, I will impose a daily fine amount. Now, for new non-repeat cases, my order will include an abatement date by which you must resolve the violation and a daily fine amount that I may impose at a future hearing date should the violation not be resolved in time. If I find that sufficient cause to postpone your enforcement at this time, then I'll table your case to a hearing in the near future. Now, if you don't agree with my findings of fact or ruling, then the property owner may appeal my administrative order on the case to the circuit court. We're here in Miami-Dade County, so that'd be the 11th Judicial Circuit in and for Miami-Dade County. An appeal must be filed within 30 days of the date of execution of the administrative order to be appealed. Now, in accordance with Florida statutes, if a person decides to appeal any decision made by this special magistrate with respect to any matter considered at these proceedings, then that person will need a verbatim record of the proceedings. This record includes the testimony and evidence upon which the appeal is to be based. The cost for obtaining the verbatim record shall be the sole responsibility of the person appealing. And it is recommended that the persons who plan to appeal their case should provide their own court report at these proceedings for expedience. Now, pursuant to City Code, if the City of North Miami prevails in prosecuting a case before this special magistrate, then the city shall be entitled to recover all costs incurred in prosecuting the case. Currently, the cost assessment is $100 per case. Once the city records an order that imposes a fine and authorizes a lien against your property, then the city will charge an additional administrative fee in order to record the release of that lien. So, if you're going to be giving testimony today, please rise and raise your right hands to be sworn and remain standing for the Pledge of Allegiance.
If you're going to be speaking in the case, in any case, please stand up. Raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in these proceedings will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Just say aloud, I do. I do. Everyone needs to stand up, face the flag, and repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated. Ladies, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the translations which you are about to give in these proceedings will be accurate and correct to the best of your knowledge, skills, and ability? I do. Thank you.
Madam Clerk, announce any changes to the agenda, any deletions or corrections or additions, and then call your first case.
The deletions are as follows. Item number 22, CER CV 2018-00112, Alejandro M. Curvo, NW. Item number 27, CEODS 2018-00209, Anita Jill. Item number 28, CEEXC 2018-00012, Akita Inc. Item number 30, CENUS 2018-01552, Augustin Boarding. Complied. Item number 32, CESSS 2018-00001, BCBG LLC. Complied. Item number 36, CESIP 2018-00096, Biscayne 123 LLC. Complied. Item number 38, CEPPK 2018-00014, CZ Properties Inc. Complied. Item number 39, CEPPK 2018-00015, CZ Properties Inc. Complied. Item number 41, CTTRE 2018-00001, Carlos Patin, TRS, dismissed per City Attorney Office. Item number 49, CERCV 2018-00180, Disney C. Cruz. Complied. Item number 51, CESSP 2018-00286, Elena Glassman. Complied. Item number 52, CEODS 2018-00206, Epicurean Group, Inc., TRS. Complied. Item number 55, CEFAW 2018-00304, Franco NW Marie D. Complied. Item number 60, CERCV 2018-00203, Jean Thomas NW. Complied. Item number 67, CELDR 2018-00060, Gregory Singler NW Naomi. Complied. Item number 68, CEPFY 2018-00660, Gregory Singler and W. Naomi. Complied. Item number 71, CEWWC 2018-00139, Hannah E. Lewis. Complied. Item number 74, CTBPR 2018-00061, Illuminan Cologne and W. Maria. Postponed. Item number 76, CEFAW 2018-00325, Jackie Guerrera. Complied. Item number 79, CEFAW 2018-00197, Jacquees Maris and W. Complied. Item number 83, CEEXP 2018-00283, Johan Kristen Tan Ungesto, Johan Christopher and Tan Ungesto. Complied. Item number 84, CETMK 2018-00018, George Perez and W. Complied. Item number 86, CESSR 2018-00050, Kamen Group 1 Corp. Complied. Item number 87, CEGMP 2018-00068, Kathy Sands Manuel. Complied. Item number 89, CEPFW 2018-00643, Lunas Jackson and W. Complied. Item number 90, CERCV 2018-00204, Lillian R. Yovan. Complied. Item number 96, CEBLR 2018-00069, Lionel Rocher, NW, complied. Item number 97, CEPFY 2018-00597, MSCV Co., complied. Item number 100, CEFAW 2018-00319, Marlene Felix, complied. Item number 110, CESTR 2018-00008, North Miami Houses LLC, postponed. Item number 111, CTSTR 2018-00015, North Miami Houses LLC, postponed. Item number 112, CTSTR 2018-00017, North Miami Houses LLC, postponed. Item number 118, CEPFY 2018-00688, Philippe G. Sewer, complied. Item number 110, MHVIO 2018-00688, Pong Mini Tran, postponed. Item number 120, CEGMP 2018-00102, Pierre L. Durai and W. Fanny, postponed. Item number 122, CENUS 2018-02272, Prestige Estate Property Management, dismissed per City Attorney's Office. Item number 123, CENUS 2018-02273, Prestige Estates Property Management, dismissed per City Attorney Office. Item number 129, MHVIO 2018-00533, Sanssouci Apartments Properties LLC, complied. Item number 133, MHVIO 2018-00541, Sanssouci Apartment Properties LLC, complied. Item number 137, CERCV 2018-00206, Sophie Louise Monique Ballot, complied. Item number 140, CEPFY 2018-00641, Terry Holloway, complied. Item number 142, CEPFY 2018-00638, Vernetti and Gerson Garia, postponed. To begin with our first case, item number 91 through 95. Item number 91, CEGMS 2018-00049, Lionel Alterna, NW.
Say the number again. Say the agenda number again.
Officer Ernst Baptiste.
What's the agenda number?
Agenda number? 91.
Okay.
Okay, item number 92, CEJNK 2018-00180. Item number 93, CENUS 2018-00993. Item number 94, CEPFY 2018-00569. And also item number 95, CEWWC 2018-00121.
That's 1265. Only all these cases have been in compliance. Only the roof case, the WWC, still standing.
WWC, so 95. So 95 is the only one that remains open.
Yes.
All right. So 91, 92, 93 are dismissed as complied, and 94. dismissed as complied. 93, go ahead and make, 95, go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Okay. So it's about the roof, right?
Do you need an
Yeah,
interpreter?
yeah, I can talk, yes.
All right.
Yeah, I'm still in the process with the
Make your
insurance.
appearance for the record.
Hello?
Say your name.
Oh, my name is Lionel Altino.
Okay.
This is my wife, Germany Altino.
All right. So you received notice of the violation, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And are you objecting to the violation?
So,
Are you objecting to the violation?
like,
Violation, est-ce que vous comptez d'accord pour une violation? Vous objectez ou
no, if this, no?
All
No.
right. How much time do you need to fix it?
I'm still waiting for the insurance. I'm in touch with the lawyer. I have a lawyer with my claim,
How long has it been going
and
on?
it's will take me like at least two months.
All right.
2 months at least,
All right. So,
in order to get the check to get the roof done.
all right. I'm gonna give you 3.
3. Thank you so much. I will appreciate it.
All right. Find out a violation does exist as cited, as admitted by the property owner. An abatement date of March 13th. If not abated by March 13th, then it's $250 per day until abated.
Okay.
All right. That's it.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh. That's it, right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
The next case,
Bonjour.
item number 6 through,
6.
item number 6 through 20. Starting with item number 6, MHVIO 2018-00886, AGS and Associates, Inc. Officer Rahima Golding. Item number 7, MHVIO 2018-00887. Item number 8, MHVIO 2018-00888. Item number 9, MHVIO 2018-00889. Item number 10, MHVIO 2018-00890. Item number 11, MHVIO 2018-00891. Item number 12, MHVIO 2018-0089892. Sorry. Item number 13, MHVIO 2018-00893. Item number 14, MHVIO 2018-00894. Item number 15, MHVIO 2018-00896. Item number 16, MHVIO 2018-00897. Item number 17, MHVIO 2018-00898. Item number 18, MHVIO 2018-00899. Item number 19, MHVIO 2018-00900. And last, item number 20, MHVIO 2018-00902.
Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Yes, my name is Simone Amani, and I am the property manager and owner of this property.
Is it property manager and owner of the property?
Yes, I'm sharing that responsibility of that, yeah.
Okay. Ms. Golding, go ahead and make your appearance.
City of North Miami, Code Compliance Officer Rahima Golding.
Are any of these complied yet? No?
Not,
Okay.
no.
All right, thank you.
So I'll begin from there, if that's okay.
Well, here's how
okay, go ahead.
here's how I typically do it.
Yes, sir.
Your client or you, since you're part owner, been made aware of these violations, correct?
That is correct.
Are there any objections to these violations?
The objection I do have, because I just don't want to get into the,
Do you object because you
I'm-
believe that they were not properly given, or you object because it's too many of them?
well, it's the second part, okay? It's a
Okay.
lot of them.
Okay, so I can only address
concurrently.
the first part.
Okay, the
Okay.
first part is I object to them because Ms. Golden and I have been in contact for some time now, and I came into this property with quite a bit of previous violations going on that I immediately started taking care of. And I've been trying to be in contact with her. There were some life situations that happened, death, grave ill situation, and we moved forward to that with an extension to complete them. Now that the crew is there, I'm dealing with a situation where, you know, there was someone that came out and stopped the, you know, just the embellishment of the property from, what is that I just showed you?
What it
Here,
was,
let
she
me-
received,
Let me,
go ahead.
let me get back to how I typically do this.
Okay,
All right. So it doesn't sound like you are objecting to the nature of the violations. Doesn't sound like what you're objecting to. And so this is what we're here to do today. She gave you some violations. She cited you for violations that exist on the property. We're not here to determine whether it was a good timing,
no,
you
that-
know,
no,
or
that's not what
or-
I'm
or any of
saying,
that.
sir.
So your objections have to be to, are these issues that she has cited you for, do they exist on the property?
Well, that's what I'm trying to ask Ms. Golding now, because I had completed some, and some of them were duplicated, because with the previous magistrate, we went one by one on quite a few sheets. So what I'm asking Ms. Golden right now is, which ones are the new ones? Because I was
There-
not here in order to receive those, but I did receive it from someone, one of my handymans that was at the property.
They're all new.
I'm sorry?
They're all new.
No, I'm saying the completed ones, because there was never
The
a
completed ones,
re-inspection.
the completed ones were already taken off, like with the vehicles. And I think there was something about a tree and also some trash up against the fence. Those were closed.
Okay, so.
These are the ones that were pending otherwise. There were about 20,
Yeah.
there were about 20-something violations on the property in total.
Uh-huh.
So the ones that I was able to re-inspect and close out, those were closed out.
Okay, and then the second one that the magistrate gave me additional time, I put a crew on there. Remember I said
Right.
that? And
So
we have
she
not
got the
done a
crew on there,
re-inspection,
but she got a notification from Miami-Dade County.
and
The-
they stopped it, so.
The cases before me have not previously been adjudicated.
Right.
That is my understanding. So these, as far as I'm concerned, are new.
Okay. Just listen.
Okay.
All right. So with these new cases, are you objecting to these new cases?
Just say no.
No, I'm not. And the
All right.
reason why,
And
but that's
s-
a fine,
And so,
and I'm going into a mission of, you know, but,
how,
No, that's
how
not.
how much time do you need to correct the violations?
okay. I'm definitely gonna need more,
I know, because it's
think I
like
need about
15
a-
of them here.
I know, I need about to be honest with you, maybe less than maybe 120 days minimum, and the maximum could be 120 days. The reason why is because I have quite a bit of structure issues going
Granted.
on. 120 days?
120 days.
Okay.
All right. But you know, when I give such an allotment of time in the beginning.
I understand, I know exactly
Okay.
what that means.
All right.
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's that mean? January, February, March, April, right? So I find that a violation does exist as cited, as admitted by the property owner on all cases. I give an abatement date of April 10th. If not abated by April 10th, then it's $250 per day per citation. Thank you.
Special Magistrate.
All right. See? My way is effective. All right. Next case.
Next case, item number 21, CESEA 2017-00003, Afzal H. Khan and W. Sibia.
Always.
Officer Edmund Fitzel. And now that would be Officer Shanna Sanders.
Always restate the agenda item number.
you doing?
At the end. So what is it? $21. I got it. Thank you. Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
All right, I'm the contractor. My name is Argelio Rivas.
The seawall.
Yes.
Shanna Sanders, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer, here in this case for now retired Edmonds Fitzell.
All right. Your client's been made aware of the violation, correct?
Yes.
All right. And were there any objections to the violation?
No.
How much time do we need?
About 2.5 months. We already poured the first slabs. We've already gone through two. The inspector's already been out twice to inspect 2 different inspections. We've already passed them. We poured the slabs. We're waiting on the barge to come out to start installing pilings and laying the slabs in the water.
Okay.
So figure about 2.5 months.
Any
we can
objections?
put everything,
Any objections?
No, I don't have any objections.
All right. March 13th. All right. Finding a violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of March 13th. Not abated by March 13th, and it's $250 per day until abated.
Thank you.
All right.
Item number 29, CEGMP 2018-00266. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
I got it.
Item number 23, CERCV 2018, Allison Molding, Officer Shanna Sanders, and that's item number 23.
There we go.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
On behalf of Allison and Michael Larkin, I have my power attorney here.
All right.
Shanna Sanders, City of North
Show it to the
Miami.
assistant city attorney, please.
Shanna Sanders, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. This here is the tenant of the property.
It's properly executed.
I'm sorry, what's the question? I'm showing here that the property owner is Allison Molden. One moment, let me see. Allison Molden and yes, Michael Larkin.
All right. Has your grantor been made aware of the violations? Thank you. Are there any objections to the violation?
No,
How much time do you need?
I already applied for the permit on the city, so I have here all the paperwork.
Boat parked on the property needs to be removed. Boat remains. Administrative variance must be obtained for the community planning development. We're on number 23, right? Needs a variance, not a permit, right?
Yes, that's correct. Shanna Sanders, City of North Miami again, Code Compliance Officer. This is a case for an administrative, for RV that's parked at the property. It's a boat that's parked on the north side of the property. He did obtain the administrative variance. He submitted the application more or less. As of yesterday, 1 p.m., he submitted the application. If I can, I would like an adjudication, possibly a short one, because this case has been going on since October. And again, it took him until yesterday to submit the application.
But he submitted the application, so now it's on the city, right?
Yes, so hopefully, it'll take about 2 weeks, per what, Sheila is telling me. So hopefully 2 weeks.
So no city, the council doesn't need to vote on it. This is just a.
No, this is an administrative thing that they can do in
great.
office.
All right, great. Finding a violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of February 13th. Not abated by February 13th, then it's $250 per day until abated.
Okay.
All right.
Item number 29, CEGMP 2018-00266, Akita Inc., Officer Karen Jean Lewis, and it's item number 29.
Good morning. Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Good morning. My name is Jack Tarabolis, and I'm the manager of Atike Inc.
Okay. You been made aware of the violation?
Yes, sir.
And are there any objections to the violation?
No, sir.
How much time do you need?
It's a rather large project. Is in order to seal the cracks on the wall. It's approximately 588 square feet, and it's going to cost approximately $32,000 to cement stock of the entire wall and paint it. I would say I need about 3 months, sir.
Any objections?
City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer Karen Jean Lewis. No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Find that a violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of April 10th, not abated by April 10th. Then it's $250 per day until abated.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Item number 31, MHVIO 2018-00699, Beige Family, Inc., Officer Vanessa Willis, and that's item number 31.
Good morning. Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Good morning. My name is Cynthia Bull, and I'm part of the board of directors of the condominium.
All right. You've been made aware of the violation, correct?
Yes.
Are there any objections to the violation?
No.
How much time do you need?
I would say that we have a permit submitted to the city, and it's for the repaving, and I would say up to 3 months if possible.
Any objections?
No.
All right. Find that a violation does exist as cited, as admitted by property owner. An abatement date of April 10th, not abated by April 10th, then it's $250 per day until abated. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Item number 37, CEWWC 2018-00143, Brian Lazar, and that's Officer Jose Perez, and it's item number 37.
Good
Morning,
morning.
Mr. Magistrate, Counsel.
Go ahead and make
My
your
name is
appearance.
Brian Lazar. I'm here about a roof violation.
All right. So you're here, so you are aware of the violation. Are there any objections to the violation?
Yes, I'd like it to be done with. No, I have no objection.
How much time do you need?
I don't know, sir. The next hearing with the insurance company and my attorneys is on February 22nd, I think. So then after that.
Do you know where they're at in litigation? What phase of litigation they're in? Has a trial date been set?
They made us an offer. I think it's the 22nd. I don't know if it's for depositions or not. There's been 3 inspections. They made us a very low ball offer that wouldn't cover the damage.
Have you scheduled a mediation yet?
Yeah, I think that's where the attorney is at. You have a letter from my attorney.
I do.
I've been trying to bring it into compliance.
Do we
I can
have?
safely say there's no one in this building that would like my roof fixed more than I would.
I hear you. I don't have a letter. I don't have that letter.
I haven't received one either.
Actually, you received a letter also before when the tarp, this is the second tarping of the house.
Well, just to advise, I'm not sure if maybe you sent it to someone else, but I personally have not received any communication in reference to this property.
Okay.
So it might have gone sent to someone else.
I apologize.
No, it's fine.
It's in the hands of my attorney and my other advocate.
The city has no objections to give them more time.
I have no objections in giving it. Just need to know how much.
Well, I'd like it done, last year already. But is 6 months? You want to just revisit it? I don't know because I don't know.
Let me see it.
what they're doing.
Thanks.
The roof is currently covered. It's watertight.
Listen. And Morgan should probably, maybe all law firms who deal in this regard should have an understanding that the city is not going to wait for you to fight your case in court. And quite honestly, it's just a ridiculous ask. Cases can drag on for years. They literally can. I'm a litigator. I understand this better than most people, how long cases can drag on. And it is crazy to ask the city, as he does, to refrain from any further action until resolution of the pending lawsuit. That's just,
If the city
just a ridiculous
can
ask.
move them along, I'd be grateful. We're on the same side of this issue.
The blue tarp is about appearance as much as it is as about water intrusion into your property. City of Miami's ordinance doesn't want people with a bunch of blue tarps on their roofs. It is unsightly. The city considers that unsightly. It is why the ordinance exists. So, and quite frankly, the city doesn't have to wait for a property owner to litigate a battle with their insurance company, because it's the property owner's responsibility to repair its roof. Without the
Property
assistance-
owner does not have the 50,000, maybe plus now, to repair the roof.
I know homeownership sucks.
I am willing to entertain anything.
So, just tell council, a better letter for me would be to tell me where you at in litigation. Are you still in pre-trial? Are you at, has a trial date been scheduled? If I knew the trial date, has a mediation already occurred? Has depositions been taken? Tell me where you're at in the litigation so I can make a sound decision as to how much time I want to give you.
I think the February 22nd is for the depositions, again, from the insurance company and the structural engineer that they sent over.
Counsel? No, our case number's on here. No, they don't have the case number on there. But if you want to, you can search it by name. Let's pass it. Let's see if we can find out what's going on with your case. All right, so just have a seat for me right there. Call the next case.
Item number 43, Claudinette Laurent and W. Marie C. Sorry. That's case number CENBR 2018-00114, Officer Jose Perez. And that's item number 43.
Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Good morning. My name is Claudinette Laurent, property owner.
All right, you've been made aware of the violation? Meaning you understand the violation?
Yes.
And are there objections to the violation?
No, sir.
How much time do you need?
Can I speak to Mr. Jose for 1 second, please?
Sure.
If I may.
And guys, they all sit back there, so if you need to talk to them before your case is heard, you can talk to them.
Someone's on.
They're all back there.
Young man. Yeah. So,
If you know who yours is.
This violation is a reference to the property address. The property address can't be seen from the public right away. It needs to be posted somewhere, I don't know, maybe here or somewhere that it could be seen from the public right away.
Don't be trying to run.
As long as it could be seen from the public right away. Yeah. It has to stand out from that. Okay, that's not a problem.
You guys worked out something?
He wanted some clarification.
Ah, got you. All right. So, how much time do you need?
A couple days.
All right. Finding a violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of January 30th. If not abated by January 30th, then it's $250 per day until abated. Now you're looking like I want more time.
How much?
Maybe you said a couple of days. I gave you till January 30th.
Okay, no problem.
All
No
right.
problems.
All right. There you go. Have a good one.
That's it?
That's it.
Thank you very much.
Item number 44, CENUS 2018-02018, Daniel Heyman, Officer John Dorville, and that's item number 44.
Okay, how are they they can't abate this. Y'all in trouble. Mr. Dorville,
Yes, sir.
go ahead and make your appearance.
Good
for the
morning.
record.
Code Officer John Dorval, City of North Miami Code Compliance Office.
Let me ask you, I see that this is for a nuisance abatement, sort of.
Yes, sir.
Now, I can find that on that day, or whatever day you cited them on, if you provide, sufficient evidence that they played loud music. But how then do they abate it as what is typically asked for by this hearing?
Yeah, I understand the magistrate's concern. The position of the city here is that we are looking for an adjudication, that they have been found guilty, so that moving forward, because they've had violations of this type documented by police reports of loud music at that particular property. So what we're looking for is an adjudication. So therefore, moving forward, if they are cited again, that they will pay the maximum fine.
What was the fine? What's the fine currently?
I'm sorry?
What's the fine that they've been cited with currently?
Well, this is the first time that's actually brought in the case, so we're looking for the maximum fine.
When you cited them, was there a fine amount?
No, there was not a ticket issued because it was
Oh,
based on a
okay.
police report.
Okay. All right. You want to be, I assume, go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
I'm here on behalf of the owner, and she's the tenant. I don't know who you'd rather speak with. Either one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Just state your name for the record.
Okay, good morning. My name is Clemelle Jean. I'm the one that leave. The citation is mine.
You the one pumping the music late at night?
Actually, it's somebody that have loudspeaker and they remove them. After we get the violation, they remove the speakers.
All right. So
So
now
we no
you've
longer have the loudspeakers.
You've heard the city represent that this wasn't the first time. All right?
Yes.
So, I find that a violation did exist as cited. All right? Such that if it comes back before me on the same violation, this property will receive the maximum fine for that violation. Understood?
Okay, what is the maximum fine?
What is
$500.
No.
What?
Up to $5,000.
Yeah, but what he said.
Wow. Can I insert something just quickly on
Sure.
that behalf? The neighbors have been calling the police to come even when there's no music. And when the police get there, there's no music.
Well,
So how is that differentiated then?
they have to witness police, you have to witness a violation in order to write a citation.
Okay.
I think that's general, you got to actually witness the violation. All right?
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, great. This was number 2037. All right. Recalling the case of Brian Lazar. So we're just in the discovery phase. So
Well, an offer's already been made. It was a low offer there, so we had to call them in to court.
yeah, but that was offers are going to be made back. Informal offers are going to be made back and forth throughout the case until it goes to trial. And at some point, the judge is going to say, "You guys." At some point, was a notice of trial? Was a notice of ready for trial done? Because probably not if they're still deposing. Yeah. See, your attorney, right? See, your attorney hasn't even notified the court that you're ready for trial. So no trial date has even been issued on the case. So what's going to happen is he's going to do some depositions. They're going to do some depositions. They're going to do some interrogatories. Going to do some requests to produce. And then at some point, somebody's going to file a notice that the case is ready for trial. Judge is going to set a trial date. It's going to be months later after that. The court's going to say, come in for a case status or a pretrial status, at which he's going to ask each party, are you ready to proceed to trial on such and such date? And you guys are going to either say yes or no. He's going to say, go to mediation. Then you're going to have officially go to mediation to try to see if you can make an offer and resolve the case.
I can't afford to repair the roof and whatever damage has gone on. I don't like my house looking like a pancake restaurant. You know, eventually I could apply for Y Green or something like that maybe with my mortgage, but then that would be me paying for it and then trying to get the money out of the insurance company.
I'm gonna find out a violation does exist as cited. I'm gonna issue an abatement date of June 12th. Okay? So here's what's gonna happen. June 12th is gonna be your abatement date. You're probably not gonna have abated it by June 12th. You're gonna be back here on June 19th to tell us where you're at in your case.
Okay, I appreciate that, but hopefully we will not meet again on that circumstance.
It'd be great for both of us.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you again, sir.
Thank you. Find the violation that exists as cited. Issue an abatement date of June 12th. Not abated by June 12th. It's $250 per day until abated.
Item number 113, CERCV 2018-00199, Obed Arison, Officer Ernst Baptiste, and that's item number 113.
For the records, Obed Arias. I own 1350 Northwest 128th Street.
You made aware of the violation?
Yes, I am, and I was also aware that Larry told me not to worry about it, that he was going to dismiss it, because they didn't understand if I needed a variance or not, since the trailer is behind the fence, behind the home, not obstructing any view, etc.
Larry said, don't worry about it.
He said, don't worry about it. I will take care of it. And I also...
You can talk.
You can talk. Go ahead. Correct.
We spoke with the officer, and the officer's going to proceed, so there is no...
That's not a problem at all. I don't mind you proceeding with that. I also have my variance here applied. I have had it signed for a while back ago, but since Larry told me hold off on that, I thought this was dismissed, and he was going to advise me about this. So then I received this recently.
What's
So
Larry's last name?
I'm here. I don't know his last name. Okay. Yeah. Now, I will advise you that I know the north side is getting impacted about this, and I've already heard one trailer issue, but the northeast side, Keystone Point, where I live, we've got over 27 trailers that have not been touched, and all these guys back here need to go out there, need to cite every property, because I will be complaining about them. Okay, the entire board members in Keystone Point will be complaining about them.
Y'all heard that.
Okay? Because I don't understand why I have to, on the north side, get hit with something, and then the northeast side, oh, hold on, the money payers, the ones that pay taxes they don't get touched? No. I'm no different than anybody else. I should be the same.
All right, but you.
And
you
I think
done-
Larry knows this very well, okay? And I've told him very well. That's why I asked him, let me know because I'm complying. I can show you my photos. Can I show you those photos of how my trailer is actually stored?
I'm sure that the trailer is stored nicely.
Do you mind seeing them?
But I don't mind seeing them.
If you read,
But you need a variance. That's what the code
that's something
calls
new.
for.
That's something new this year because the trailer's been there for 10 years.
Is
Okay?
the variance
And,
code new?
and I believe every jet
I
ski
don't
in North
think so.
Miami needs a variance now. Every boat needs a variance now.
I think they're just.
every
I think they're
every
just
so
doubling down on enforcement. I think this has existed on the books for a while.
I'm not saying it probably did not. You know what I mean? I just say it needs to be even.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
I don't think that
I
there's.
pay $3,000 over there. I pay
I haven't
$150
seen-
here.
I
It
haven't
should be
seen-
the same thing.
I haven't seen any evidence of selective enforcement by the city.
I
at
have.
This time.
I have. So
But if you want
I'm
me to see-
complying with it.
Let me see your
Yeah.
trailer. Let me see your trailer.
I'm going to show it to you directly from Larry's text message with him. Behind the house, behind the shed, behind the fence.
Just let him keep saying Larry. I'm just gonna let him keep saying Larry.
And again, I don't have a problem with him doing his job. He's doing it well. Very good. I just think if you look at the photos, it's behind the home, behind the fence, behind two fences. It's parked correctly how I've been living in the city for the last 13 years.
But you would agree that if he's simply enforcing an ordinance that's on the books, then there's no fault of him in doing that, right?
None at all. But if you read the books, this is how I have the way I'm supposed to have the trailer. I have it. Now there's something new coming up about a variance, which I don't understand it. I've never seen it. In Keystone Point, we've never had it. We've had meetings about this many times. We've discussed it, and we've been placed on hold in Keystone Point because we do have RVs, so I can give you an address right now, okay, where we have them right in next to the sidewalk. Okay? So that's my argument. Covered by trees, like if there was a variance allowed to connect it to sewer water. Thank you, boss.
Ernst Baptist, City North Miami Code Enforcement Officer. This is a case that was open for an hour. Vida is parked at the property. As stated, the RV is well parked behind the fence. On top of that, you need a variance to keep it. That's why he was cited.
Okay.
Crystal Cordo, City of North Miami Code Compliance Manager, Special Magistrate. I think I've spoken with the resident a few months back, referenced the issue when he was originally cited. There's a misconception that this is a new rule. I believe if the city attorney would like to reference the Municode, I believe that this ordinance has been enacted since 2009. I've also gone to the Keystone Point meetings myself and presented them a list of all properties throughout the city that have been addressed, reference administrative variances. This is not the first time we've brought these types of cases to the hearing. This is just simply the testimony that I wanted to be able to provide. I don't know, I did have the officer check with CP&D to determine whether or not Mr. Arias has applied at least for the variance. When I spoke with him a few months back, I advised him that he needed to apply at least for the variance and obtain it in order for him to park the RV there at the property. Whatever, as you stated, whatever we enforce on one side, we enforce on the other. The rules are just the rules. We're just here to do the job. I believe that we did do a search just in order to clear up the misconception that there was selective enforcement. And we did a search citywide, and I believe that, and I don't want to quote because I don't remember at this particular moment, but it was definitely well over 1,000-something violations that have come reference administrative variances since we enacted the ordinance in 2009.
What about them 27 over there on northeast side?
I mean, my guys in the back can probably attest to how many cases we have for variances.
Did you own the property prior to 2009?
Yes, I believe so. Yes, I do. And I'm going to use the word believe, just like she says. She believes. She's not sure. You know what I mean? And I will tell you, I go to the meetings. I've seen her. Okay, I'm very well informed in there. And we're still complaining about it, and still nothing has been done. Still trailers are being parked there in Keystone Point. And this is a big issue because it started by me. And it also started on Keystone Boulevard about jet skis. I'm sure you guys know about that story. Okay? We had trailers. We called about the trailers, of jet skis being rented, commercialized, etc. Until thank God, Eureka jumped in, got everybody out of there and did what he had to do. So I don't understand it. Now I'm being blown off proportion about something that's parked correctly. I do understand that about after 2009, and it's being enforced now. I don't mind complying with it. Every single neighbor has the variance sign. I will go down there. I will turn it in. I don't mind. That's not a problem to me. I just want things to be equal.
How long do you need?
As long as you guys take, and it takes a long time because I got a lot of permits in process. So as long as you guys need, you guys tell me if I go down there, I get this done. If you guys do it in a week, give me a week. If you guys do it in a month, give me a month.
I have no control over that. I just issue time. So you tell me, because I mean, it follows my
and a
time.
minister's variance could take 2 weeks in the city. It can take a month.
You tell me, it follows my time period. So
Yeah, just go ahead and say 30 to 60 days if you want, if you can.
all right.
And just please make sure everybody complies. That's all I'm asking. Yeah.
You're on notice.
It's not on notice. It's that I believe the taxpayers really want it the right way, just evenly. Let's get it done evenly. You know what I mean?
March 13th. Find out a violation doesn't
Thank
exist
you.
as cited. Issue an abatement date on March 13th. Not abated by March 13th, and it's $250 per day until abated.
Thank you for your help.
Yeah. So how dare you now come and get at him?
Next case is item number 53, CEBPR 2018, Evarista Escato and Bonsoir. Officer Ernst Baptiste, and that's item number 53.
Mi nombre es Evarista Escoto.
My name is Evarista Escoto.
All right. Ma'am, you received a citation for a violation of city code. Do you object?
Ha recibido una violación una citación por violación del código de la ciudad.
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Baptiste.
Ernst Baptiste, City of Miami Code Enforcement Officer. This is a case that was open for building without permit.
Es el construido sin permiso.
The case was heard before.
Este caso lo hemos visto
It shows as new.
Was tabled then. And posted the property on.
Oh, hold up. You're right. Back on October 18th.
Correct.
En octubre 18 hemos escuchado este caso.
It was supposed to debate by November 14th.
Debía ser terminado.
And it was postponed.
And my fine was set at $500. So, where are we at?
No permit is obtained.
Ningún permiso está abierto.
Sí, deposité los planos en septiembre y me lo devolvieron ahora.
I submitted
Mirando el permiso.
I submitted the blueprints in september.
En septiembre, octubre, cuando me lo dio la
On
compañía.
September or October, and they just been returned to me.
Ajá. Ahora la ciudad me lo dio para que le haga el ingeniero con la compañía que me está haciendo que me hizo los planos, le haga una corrección, algo que.
Now, the engineer needs to make corrections to these blueprints.
Ya tiene 2 semanas. El ingeniero lo tiene 2 semanas haciendo la cosa.
It's been already for 2 weeks in the hands of the engineer.
Entonces tengo que traérselo a la ciudad otra vez.
Then I had to bring it back to the city.
El número de permiso.
I have been given a permit number, which is here.
I checked, there's no permit on file. Like
Bueno,
she
dice,
stated, probably.
Want to check her number?
Y no hay un. The number? Okay.
Míralo ahí, el martes fui a la ciudad, entonces me dieron esa y me dicen entonces.
I was given this permit number on Tuesday. It says permit number BAD-18-54.
Is that a permit number?
The permit is not been issued though, because they're still waiting on the engineer to make correction.
All right.
But this was given to me by the city.
November, December, January. All right. One last continuance. Come back on February 20th.
Señora, regrese en febrero
No,
20.
no, no. Your calendar's confusing me. Yeah, February 20th. All right.
Tiene que regresar febrero 20.
And I believe that's the last one.
Yep, that's the last one.
Y será la última vez.
I mean, because you submitted it, you got it back with corrections.
Entonces, escuche.
You should be able to make those corrections and get it back
Ha
and get it approved
presentado
before that
y le
time
pide
period.
correcciones, tiene que volver otra vez, entonces para esa fecha ya debería estar listo. Dice.
Sí, una preguntita, por favor. Por ejemplo, la ciudad me lo da, yo se lo doy
Now,
al
if you get more
ingeniero, a la
comments, then you may need a better
compañía,
person.
¿qué puedo yo hacer en eso?
So, how does it work? The city gives it to me and then I forward to the engineer. How does it work?
Entonces después el ingeniero me lo va a dar, yo lo voy a traer a la ciudad. No está en mis manos.
Right, the city's gonna give you back your blueprints and with comments.
Señor.
You're gonna say no permit's gonna be issued, they're gonna give you back the stuff with comments.
Señor.
They expect that your
Señor.
engineer is
La
going to
ciudad
fix those
le
things
dice que
that they
tiene que
comment
hacer
on,
los cambios,
and then resubmit it.
y una vez que los cambios estén de acuerdo con los
They'll then
códigos de la
review it
ciudad, entonces le va a dar la
to see if it
aprobación.
was properly addressed, see if their comments were properly addressed. If their comments were properly addressed, then they'll issue the permit.
Si los cambios que está pidiendo la ciudad están hechos correctamente, entonces le dan el permiso.
De una vez.
Sí.
All right.
I understand.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Item number 54,
No.
CEM,
No further continuances, just in case I forget. Note that there's no further continuances.
Next case is item number 54, CEMHA 2018-000009, Evanel Lewis Charles. That's Officer John Dorville, and it's item number 54.
Good morning, go ahead and make your appearance.
My name is Evanel Luciol. I'm the property owner. 1385 Northeast 140th Street.
Okay. Please prepare the detached garage structure. You received the You received the citation. Are you objecting to that citation?
No.
How much time do you need?
About 2 months.
What's wrong with the garage structure? Is the door or something? What's wrong?
The garage structure didn't have a roof initially. Upon inspection on the 11th of January 2019, I did see that the gentleman, a resident, did have a wood beams. They're beginning construction on the property, because it's a separate garage. But there are pictures if you'd like to see it. He has wood beams, so he has a permit for it as well.
He does?
He does. So he's gonna need some time, at least 3 months, possibly.
All right. I find that a violation does exist as cited and admitted by the property owner. Given an abatement date of April 10th, and not abated by April 10th, it is $250 per day until abated.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Next case is item number 64, CEJNK 2018-00179, Gertha M. Pierre Jean, and that's Officer Ernst Baptiste. Item number 64.
If any place you would pronounce it right, would be here, right? I just love seeing Gene.
Good morning. My name is Gertha Pierre-Jean. I'm the property owner.
All right. You've been made aware of the violation, right?
Yes.
Any objections to the violation?
Yeah.
Do you contest it? Do you think it was wrong?
Like,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, she does.
No.
Okay. And for both of them, correct?
Ernst Baptist, City of Miami, the nuisance case have been complied with.
Oh, great. So 65, number 65, case number CNUS 2018-00992 is dismissed as complied. How much time do you need to get the stuff off the property? I don't want to call it junk.
That only 2 weeks. I don't have too much.
All right.
It's not
All
too
right.
much.
Find that a violation does exist as cited. Issue an abatement date of February 13th. Not abated by February 13th, then it's $250 per day until abated.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Next case is item number 66, MHVIO 2018-00732, Gold Coast Condominium, Officer Vanessa Willis, and that's item number 66.
Go ahead and make your appearance for the record.
Hi, good morning. My name is Rick Aller. I'm the property manager for Gold Coast Condo.
All right. You've been made aware of the violations, correct?
Yes.
Is there any objections to the violation?
Nope.
How much time do you need?
I'm looking to see if I can get 90 days to finish the project.
Special Magistrate, I think you had already adjudicated, but he does just need more time. They've already started, Vanessa Willis, City of North Miami Code Compliance. They've already started pressure cleaning. I know they're in the process of securing a permit there, so he just needs additional time in which to comply.
You're right, I did. I'll have to talk to my clerks after the meeting. You need an additional 90 days? All right, but no more continuance after that.
Okay.
All right. That would be March 20th.
March 20th?
Yep.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.